Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at the discard set method in Python. And basically what the discard set method does is the same thing as the remove set method. It just doesn't raise an error when an object is not located. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We'll create a set. A is going to represent 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wow, I can't even write a set now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and say a.discard, and we'll discard the number 5 object. So we'll go ahead and pass 5 as the argument, call a, and we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it works just like remove. We can't remove more than one object at a time, so we can only pass one object. But what happens, or what's important is what happens when we call an object that doesn't exist. As we saw before, a.remove, and we pass, let's say 5, since we just removed that, we know it's not in there. We get a key error 5, right? Alright, so now if we do a.discard, and we go to remove 5, nothing happens. We call it, it's still 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we don't have a error. So depending on how you write your program, if you wanted to raise an error and basically kill your program, or if you want to set up some kind of exception to handle that error, then you might want to use remove. But if you want to just go ahead and keep your program running, no errors, and just keep plugging along, then you probably want to use the discard set method. So if you guys have any questions on discard or remove, let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next tutorial.